Okay now. So since we have finished our multiplication of exercise 3.1, now we will start with the next, that is technique of multiplication by 11. So whenever there is a number that you have to multiply by 11, you need not do the standard multiplication, okay? You can directly get the answer by this technique. So let's see what is the technique here. I'll take one sum that is from exercise 3.2, first sum. Okay, my sum is 4152, that is 4152 multiplied by 11. Now in this technique, what we are doing is, we are not doing the multiplication standard method. We are just going to see how I can get the answer directly without multiplying. Okay, so in this technique, what you will do is, you will write this number which is given like this. Okay, whatever number is given, just write it like this. Now what we are going to do is, the first number in the ones comes down as 2. जो number है वही नीचे आ जाएगा. Okay, then you have to add these two numbers. First second को add करो, उसका number जो भी आएगा add करने के बाद you will put here. 5 plus 2 is 7, so write 7. Now you have to add 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 gives you 6. Now you have to add these two. 4 plus 1, 5. Now like this, first number जैसे हमने लिखा वैसे last number को भी we are going to write like this. So here is my answer. My answer is 45,672. Very easy, isn't it? You did not multiply. You did nothing. Just जो पहले नंबर था वो लिखा, उसके बाद उसको और सेकेंड नंबर को ऐड करो, राइट इट डाउन. सेकेंड और थर्ड को ऐड करो, राइट इट डाउन. थर्ड एंड फोर्थ को ऐड करो, राइट इट डाउन. सिंस दिस इज लास्ट वन, दिस कम्स डाउन एज इट इज. Getting me? It is very easy, very simple. Just write it like this, add, and you get the answer. Okay, very easy. I am doing one more here so that you will understand it better. Okay, I am taking one that is 265 multiplied by 11. Okay, this is not from the exercise, I am taking it as an example. Okay, what I have to do is 2, 6 and 5. I have to write 5 comes down as it is. I will have to add 1 and 2, that is 6 and 5. 6 and 5 is 11. Now here we are having a carry forward, isn't it? तो वो किस पे फॉरवर्ड होगा? इसी पे. इन दोनों को ऐड कर रहे हैं. So whatever is carry forward, ये इसी पे carry forward होता है. Now we are going to add these two. 6 plus 1 plus 2, ये भी ऐड होगा. So 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9. So this comes down as 9. Okay, इसका आंसर आ गया 9. This 2 comes down as 2. So my answer is 2915. Okay, very simple, very easy. This is only what you are doing. पहला नंबर नीचे, फिर इसको ऐड करो. अगर कैरी है तो इसके ऊपर ही कैरी होगा. ओके, देन इसको और इसको ऐड करो. अगेन टेक दैट नंबर डाउन. अगेन द लास्ट डिजिट कम्स एज द नंबर देयर. अगर इस पे कैरी फॉरवर्ड होगा तो यू विल हैव टू काउंट दैट. हाँ बेटा, अगर सपोज इस पे 1 कैरी फॉरवर्ड है तो 2 plus 1 we will have 3 here. So in this way, using this technique, you can easily multiply any number by 11 without the actual multiplication. Okay, so this is it. Then we see another technique, that is multiplying by 15. So for this technique now, what I have to do is, I will take 15 as in 10 plus 5 form. 10 plus 5 is 15, isn't it? So 10 plus 5 form I will take. 15 को हम लेंगे 10 plus 5 form में. Okay, so let's take one example. Say 896 multiply by 15. इसका आंसर मुझे निकालना है. I have to multiply this. Now I will not do the standard multiplication. What I will do is I will split this 15 into 10 plus 5. It means I will write it like 896 multiplied by 10 plus 896 multiplied by 5. So 15 को मैंने 10 और 5 कर दिया. Since it is multiply तो पहले 10 से multiply करूँगी, फिर 5 से multiply and then I will add both. Okay, so in this way I will get my answer. Now let's see. 896 multiplied by 10 is 8960. Just add the 0. That is the answer. Any number multiplied by 10, just add that 0 there. Okay, so इसका आंसर आ गया 8960. Now since this is 5 which is half of 10, तो इसका जो भी आंसर आया है इसका आंसर इसका हाफ होगा. Okay, since this is multiplied by 10, this is multiplied by 5, so this answer is double of this. Okay, so इसका आंसर मुझे कैसे निकालना है? I may multiply directly or I just have to simply divide this number by 2. इसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो इसका हाफ हो जाएगा. That is the answer of this. So I will divide this number 8960 by 2. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, 0, 9 comes down. 2 4s are 8 again, 1 comes down, 6. 2 8s are 16, 0 comes down, 0 comes here. So 4480, 4480 ये इसका आंसर होगा. Getting me? Even if you multiply say 896 multiply by 5 करो, 5 6 are 30, 5 9 are 45 plus 3 48, 5 8 are 40, 40 plus 4 44, 4480 4480. तो या तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करो और इसको डिवाइड बाय 2 करो. You will get the answer for this. Now simply you have to just add both and you get the final answer. So 8960 plus 4480, 0, 6 plus 8 is 14, 10 4 14, 12 30. So my answer is 13,440. Getting me? My answer is 13,440. So my total answer is 13,440. What I have done here is 15 को मैंने 10 plus 5 लिया है. So I multiply 896 not by 15 but by 10 and by 5 और दोनों को प्लस कर दूंगी. This answer is directly 8960. इसका ये आधा है. 5 is half of 10. That is why इसका जो आंसर आया इसका आधा आंसर ये इसका होगा. Or if you cannot divide, you can simply multiply like this and get the answer. Both ways your answer will be correct. Don't do both, only one you have to do. Either divide this by 2 or multiply this and get the answer, no problem. So both you will add and get the total answer. Getting me? This is the technique for multiplying by 15. Okay? So I shall take one more example for multiplying by 15 and then you will solve exercise 3.2 for me. Okay. I will take one example from the exercise now for 15. Let's take 892 multiplied by 15. Okay, this is sum number E from 3.2 exercise. Sum number E. Now what I have to do is I will write it as 892 multiplied by 10 and 892 multiplied by 5. 15 का मैंने 10 और 5 कर दिया. 10 plus 5 होता है इसलिए प्लस बीच में. Okay. Now as I told you 892 0. इसका आंसर आता है, बस 0 ऐड हो जाएगा. दैट इज 8920 इज द आंसर फॉर दिस. नाउ फॉर दिस आई हैव टू इधर मल्टीप्लाई और इसको 2 से डिवाइड करना है. सो इफ आई डिवाइड 8920 by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 comes down, 2 6s are 12, 0 comes down, so 0 here. So answer is 4460. Okay, else what I can do is I can take multiply directly, then also I will get 4460. Now I have to add these both. 8920 plus 4460 plus करो 8 13 30. So इसका आंसर आया 13,380. Okay, this is the answer for this 13,380. What we are doing is we are not multiplying by 15, we are multiplying by 10 and 5 and then adding both. So this is the technique for multiplication of any number by 15. अगर 15 होगा तो ही ये करेंगे, अगर 11 होगा तो ही वो टेक्निक यूज़ करेंगे. ओके बेटा, सो इन दिस वे आई नीड यू टू सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज 3.2. ओके, एनी डाउट्स जस्ट व्हाट्सएप मी. Okay, that's it for today.